Let's meditate together for 5 minutes each day, a simple 5-minute meditation guide. This video will accompany you throughout your 5-minute practice, so let's keep it playing and stay with it for the full 5 minutes. First, find a quiet and peaceful place. Sit down, keep your back and head straight, close your eyes, relax, and gently soften all the muscles in your face and body. Slowly, bring your attention to your breath. Focus your mind around the area of the nostrils or the upper lip, where the breath touches as it goes in and out. Simply be aware of that point of contact. Just know the in-breath and out-breath. Stay mindful and relaxed. Do not control your breathing, let it be natural and effortless. Now, let's begin. From time to time, the video will remind you of what to do during the meditation. Bring your attention to the point of contact, stay with it, and we'll begin with 1 minute of silence together. If thoughts arise, that's perfectly fine. Thinking is natural to the mind. Just recognize, I am thinking, and gently bring your awareness back to the breath at the point of contact. Thinking again? That's okay. Simply remind yourself, I'll handle everything later. Now is the time to meditate. Then return your mind to the breath, to the touch of air at the nostrils or upper lip. Each time you notice thoughts, don't get annoyed or resist them. Just remember, your only task right now is to bring the mind back to the breath. Meditation is training a new habit, the habit of staying aware of a single object, the breath. When you forget, it's fine. Just return your attention to the breath at the point of contact. If the breath becomes subtler and harder to notice, that means your mind is becoming calmer. Don't try to search for it. Simply stay mindful at the point of contact. Awareness itself will grow more refined and will perceive it naturally. Don't expect anything. Just relax and observe the breath. Don't push thoughts away or chase any experience. Simply recognize what arises and gently return to the breath. The first session has passed quickly, hasn't it? Take a deep breath, relax, and continue to practice 5 minutes every day. At any time of the day, even when you're busy, you can always bring awareness to your breathing. Whenever you need to relax, return to the breath. It will calm and refresh you. Even if it's just for a few short seconds. May you practice diligently and live in peace.